Welcome to Classico Motorsiklo Batanggenyo. Introducing Restis BMW R50 1962. For 194cc engine with 2-cylinder boxer, 4-stroke, and 25.97 horsepower with top speed of 140 kilometers per hour. Bangis! It's a carburetor fuel system with overhead valves, air-cooled, 4-speed, shaft drive with fuel consumption of 19.6 kilometers per liter. Well, this is one-of-a-kind motorcycle. Classic na classic. Ay kung classic na classic, magandang tulog-dare.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars.